Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the best settings for faster Wi-Fi so you can improve internet speed and get a smoother online experience at home. First, open your router settings by typing your router's IP address into a web browser and logging into the admin panel. Next, change your Wi-Fi band settings. Use 5 GHz for faster speeds when you are close to the router and 2.4 GHz for better range in distant rooms. Now select the best Wi-Fi channel, choose a less crowded channel to reduce interference from nearby networks and improve connection stability. After that, update your router firmware. Firmware updates often improve speed, security, and overall performance. Then enable quality of service, also called QoS, if available. This lets you prioritize important devices like your PC or gaming console for faster internet performance. Next, set strong WPA2 or WPA3 security and remove unknown connected devices to prevent bandwidth sharing. Also adjust channel width settings. Use 40 or 80 MHz on 5 GHz networks for higher speed if your router supports it. Place your router in a central and elevated position to maximize signal strength throughout your home. Finally, restart your router occasionally to refresh connections and maintain stable speed. And that's it. With these settings, your Wi-Fi should become faster and more stable without upgrading your internet plan. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more internet and tech tips. Thanks for watching.